Science explains how fasting helps you lose weight and strengthen your body. Did you know that fasting will not only help you lose weight, but will rebuild and strengthen your body as well? It is a fact that all people fast for some period of time. Well, this type of fast happens overnight, while you sleep. Due to this reason, our meal in the morning is called breakfast. We are breaking our fast from the night before. There is spiritual fasting as well, for instance, during Ramadan or during the season of Lent. Today, we will tell you more about some types of fasting programs that you can try and which one works best for you. Here's how fasting helps you lose weight, rebuild, and strengthen your body. Before starting a program of fasting, make sure to consult your wellness professional. This is recommended particularly for those who are pregnant or nursing or have problems like diabetes, adrenal fatigue, and anemia. Research shows why fasting helps rebuild and strengthen your body. It is a fact that fasting helps you lose weight. Moreover, it helps your body conserve the energy that you would use digesting food. In this way, you are allowed to that energy for healing whenever you are injured or sick. To help your body rebuild, you should restrict your calorie intake during illness. A study conducted on mice that were given a program of fasting showed that those mice that were fasting experienced a slower growth of cancerous tumors. The fasting program can also effectively suppress tumorigenesis in mice genetically predestined to tumor development. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a short-term modified, alternate-day fasting is a new and effective way to protect heart health and aid weight loss. Participants included in the study lost weight and body fat percentage. They also had reduced their total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triacylglycerol concentrations. What type of fasting program should you try? Juice fast. This fasting program includes a liquid-based diet. You supply your body with all nutrients by drinking only juice. This means that you avoid solid foods. Alternate day fasting. In this program, you are not allowed to eat for 24 hours, then in the following 24 hours you can have regular meals. 16-hour. You should choose 8-hour time frame for eating during the day, while the other 16 hours you should avoid any caloric intake. For instance, if you decide to eat during 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., this means that you should not eat prior to 9 a.m. or after 5 p.m. 20-hour. This one is similar to the 16-hour program. However, in this one, you should choose 4-hour time frame for eating. Multiple days. This is a very challenging program. If you want to try this, you may need some additional preparation. You should start with a juice fast for at least 24 hours first. Human beings can go 7 days or longer with only water without experiencing serious health effects. No matter which fasting program you choose, make sure to stick with it for a period of 2 weeks at least, unless you experience some health complications. In this way, your body will be able to use up stored fat during the period that you are fasting. Keep in mind that it all depends on your health goals. This means that your weight loss and other body needs may differ from the needs of another person. For instance, if you are taking protein after a workout, you will want to make sure that your fasting program does not impact your training. You can always consult a nutritional specialist to find out what works best for you. Research shows why you won't need to worry about eating too much after fasting. According to the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, fasting is not going to make you eat more after you have gone for a period of time without food. The study showed that participants who did 25 minutes of moderate intensity cardio 3 times a week did not cheat on days they were not supposed to eat compared to those who were not fasting.